Hey guys, Alex with Fishing Realty here, and today I'm going to show you guys what a $489,000 home looks like here in Katy, Texas. We're in the Grange community. The builder that we're looking at today is Newmark Homes, and this home is going to be 2650 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms downstairs, 4 full bathrooms, a game room, and a huge covered patio. I'm a new construction specialist, so I sell a lot of new construction homes and resell as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to text me in the description down below. So right off the bat, you have this really long driveway right here. You can fit about 3 to 4 cars. I want to say 4 cars pretty comfortably. And then you're gonna have the 2-car garage right here. I don't know if you guys noticed yet, but this house is all stucco, no brick or wood on the outside. So if you like that stucco wood look, this would be perfect for you guys. Let's head on inside. Got a nice, tall, beautiful front porch right here. Come on inside. All right, so it's about 2 p.m. right now, and we've got lots of natural light coming in. You're gonna have the stairs right here, extra storage space, and the secondary bedroom is gonna be down right there next to the front door. But let's take a look at the kitchen and the living room first. So here is your beautiful kitchen. You got this little nice island right here. This island has some extra storage space on both sides. So 1, 2, both sides right here. Alrighty, lots of cabinets for you guys to store things. Then your oven is going to go right here, microwave right here. They don't have it installed yet, but they will install it for you guys. Fridge is going to go right here. And then your pantry is going to be right here. Not quite as much space for me personally as I like. I like to cook a lot, so I really like that extra storage. So if you guys can compromise on that, then this home is going to be good for you guys. Yeah, very open concept, nice tall ceilings, lots of natural light coming in. Got this little bar area right here. Dishwasher is going to go right here. They're going to install it. They just haven't done it yet. And then you have dual sink with gold accent right here. And then you got a little filtered water right there. Gas cooktop would go right here, and then the vent hood would go right here. That's going to lead to the outside. All right. So this is your living area right here. You can fit about 6 bar stools right here, I want to say, maybe 5. And then you have the overhead right here upstairs. You can look down. And then your primary bedroom is going to be right over there. Alrighty, let's take a look at this back porch. So nice back porch right here. Tall with the little accents right here. You fit some patio furniture pretty comfortably. I can see maybe a table, some chairs right here, and then you can hook up your grill right here to this gas line. All right. Backyard space is pretty cozy. I would say it's pretty comfortable for the kids and dogs. Definitely wouldn't try to even think about putting a pool in here. It's not big enough for a pool. You got some easements right here, so can't really cross that easement. But it's a nice sized backyard. Yeah, not too bad. Nice, beautiful day. Got the other neighbors right here. Let's see, no 2-story neighbors except that one right there. 1 story, 1 story, 1 story. Yeah, you're gonna be the 2-story neighbor. Let's head back inside. Take a look at the primary bedroom. If you guys have any questions about incentives, what the builder is offering, feel free to text me down below or put a comment down below. So this is the primary bedroom right here. All right, nice and spacious. Yeah, they just vacuumed it. You can see that right there. And then right over here is going to be your primary bath. So first thing that you're going to notice maybe is that there's no bathtub. So if a bathtub is a deal breaker for you, take a look at my other videos. So 1, 2, double vanity. Got your linen closet right here. All right. Some extra storage. Toilet is going to be right here. And then right over here is going to be your closet space. All right. It's nice and linear. For those of you that have lots of clothes, this might not be it for you. If you're a pretty young family, I would say this is not too bad at all. And again, this house is about 2650 square feet. So this is a good sized home for, I would say, a young family. All right. So right over here, it's going to be your washer and dryer. Nice little accent tiles right here. And by the way, these floors right here are going to be luxury vinyl. Luxury vinyl wood. So this is your 2-car garage. You're going to have some extra storage back here for you guys. I could probably see some stacks right here just to store some extra stuff. You're going to get a tankless water heater. All of your Newmark homes are going to have tankless water heaters, so that's less maintenance for you guys. And right over here is going to be your electrical panel. All right. Electrical panel is going to be on the inside, not on the outside, which is something that I can appreciate. And I'm sure you guys who drive electric vehicles probably going to appreciate that as well. All right. So let's take a look at that secondary bedroom downstairs. Right over here, you're going to have some extra storage. All right, so you got a coat hanger right here, a little shelf right here, and then down here, a little Harry Potter room. Got a little space right here, walk over here, little corner to store things. Yeah, you put your Christmas decorations, Halloween, all of your holiday, sorry, my English. Holiday decorations can go in there. This is a full bath right here. All right, take a look at that real quick. And then this is going to be the bedroom. So something different is that they have this little accent window right here. So we're getting a lot of natural light in this room. Again, it's about 2 p.m. right now. Here's your closet space. All right, not too bad. Now let's head upstairs. Upstairs, you're gonna have 3 extra bedrooms and a good size game room. These stairs are gonna be U-shaped. I don't know if I have any feng shui viewers right now, but got a little accent light right here. First bedroom upstairs is going to be right here. This is about the same size as the bedroom downstairs that we saw. Take a look at the closet space. Closet space is also going to be about the same. Alrighty. Same thing with this full bath right here. It's literally the same. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Same size bath. Right over here, you are gonna have your game room. All right, take a look at that. And then right over here, you can look down below into your living room. right over here, 2 extra bedrooms, linen closet right in front of me. You guys already know what that's going to look like, and then you have your attic access right here. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is actually going to be a Jack and Jill. This is the biggest secondary bedroom of the whole house. Got a little tiny nook right here. Probably put your desk right here. And then closet space is pretty good too. Yeah, lots of closet space for this bedroom right here. And then this is gonna connect to the other bedroom. So this is your Jack and Jill. So double vanity right here. All right. Bathtub. Nice clean tiles. And then it's going to be another linen closet right here. You guys already know what that's going to look like. And then last bedroom. All right, so that's it for today's video. Take a look at this closet real quick. Should be him. That's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions about incentives, what kind of deal I can get for you guys on this home, or if you guys would like for me to negotiate on behalf of you guys, I would love to do that. My information is going to be in the description below. I sell lots and lots of new construction homes and resell as well. If you guys want to see what it takes to win in this market, reach out to me. I would love to help you guys out.